Welcome back to Jay Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto charts, projects, news, and much, much more. So we are going to hop on live with you guys. I'm going to drop the link across the different social channels that we have rocking out over here. And we are going to talk about overall what is going on in the market. Okay? So, yep, we're dropping this across the board. And we are going to be rocking. Alright? Okay, so we are across the board. Let me hit it. And we are going to drop it. Here we go. And we are across all of our socials right now. All the different social sites, social media, and much, much more. And then we can go ahead and actually, let's go ahead and just drop this on, just do a quick tweet, you know? So that way people can, see us. Okay. So, CMC. We're utilizing CMC to take a look at today's overall crypto prices and much more, right? Today's overall cryptocurrency market cap is Merry Christmas to all you guys, right? 1.6 trillion, 24-hour volume, 64.9 billion, right? Bitcoin dominates 50%, ETH dominates 16%. Gas right now is kind of low. Fear and greed is at 72, right? Bitcoin, 43,438, okay? And in this past week, 4% towards the upside. $850 billion market cap, 23 billion in volume, right? Ethereum, $2,273, 4.6. On the weekly upside, 273 bill market cap, 8 billion in volume. USDT now has $91.2 billion market cap. Insane. Solana at number 4 now, right? $52.5 billion market cap. Okay, it's up 70% on the weekly, and it's got $5.8 billion in volumes. Insane. BNB, number 5 spot, right? $266, 11.7 to the upside this week. $40 billion market cap, 771 million volume. XRP at 63 cents, 5.5 on the week, 34 billion market cap and 1.86 bill in volume. USDC now has a $25 billion market cap. Cardano sitting at 62 cents, up almost 8% on the week, right? 22 billion market cap, 724 million volume. Avalanche set number 9 now. Look at that, 19% for the week, $47.94, 17.5 billion market cap, 1.2 bill in volume. So definitely seeing some real interesting things happening here in the market. Dogecoin, all right, up 4% on the week. It's at 9.5 cents, okay? $13.4 billion market cap, 459 million volume. And then I just actually want to look, let's see, Shiba up 7%. All right, Polygon Matic is now at 90 cents. It's up 16%. All right, Chainlink is moving its way up, and Tron too. So we're seeing a lot of these different chains. DAI, stablecoin, now 5 bill market cap. All right. And then, what do we want to see? ETC is something we were watching up 10%, 3 bill market cap. True USD 2.4. So we're going to see these stable coins actually be moving up in the markets, okay? So we're taking a look. Take a look at Grok X. Go ahead and swing by, follow the Twitter, okay? We have a bunch of different contests and promotions going on, all that kind of good stuff, all right? And then also pinned on my page for a winner, go ahead, sub, hit the like. Go ahead, post proof, and, you know, we're going to pick some people out. We picked some winners yesterday, and, you know, some people really enjoy this. So we're going to go ahead and, you know, rock out. There's VIP lounge, so make sure that you take a look at that, right? So it's definitely something that is beneficial for us overall as a whole. Okay, Bitcoin chart. I am on the 1 hour time frame, okay? And then as you can see, we are pulling below that 50 EMA, okay? daily open is sitting at 42,992. So that's right at 42,900. All right, you see this vector candle to this white line, which is 200 EMA, 43,230. So that's where I expect it to actually go back and touch, on a retrace before we have a continuation to the upside. Now let's go for longer term on the daily. And then as you can see, we've been having some moves. I'm just wondering when on the daily are we going to come back and touch these moving averages. Okay, those are my big buy points and areas. So that's something that we're going to pay attention to. And then on the daily too, you can see that we did turn down a bit on the MACD. All right, so that's something that we're also going to pay attention to because I do see that 42,900 mark in range. Ethereum on the daily, same thing. We almost came back to those moving averages, but the moving averages are moving towards the upside. The 200 did cross over the 800, which is bullish. All right, but targets on a pullback, 2,125 is a target for me. All right, and then on a top, from what we're looking for at the reversal, $2,405. BNB actually seeing some good increases. BNB is now above the 200. The 50's crossing over the 200 on the daily, and we were right below this 800, okay? So I'm waiting for us to close candles above this 800 so we can continue towards the upside because we're seeing some bullish moves on BNB. Dogecoin, 50 crossed over the 800 on the daily, which is awesome. You can see that we pulled up. Now we're trading sideways a bit. We should retest the moving average, and that would be a nice zone to buy in for me, which is at a little bit above the 8.5 cent range. XRP at 63 cents. Okay, we saw a vector. Now we're above that 50 EMA. We are gaining slow but true trend. The 200 crossed over to 800, which is bullish for us overall. Matic at 90 cents. We are above that 800. Look, we pulled, rejected. Now we're closing above that 800, so it's definitely bullish. The 50 is crossed over the 200 on the daily, so we're seeing some bullish targets come into play. All right, and then on the top, for Matic, I'm looking at that 98 cent before we have a pullback to the moving averages. Avalanche, $47. Look at this. Straight pull towards the upside, but on the daily, the moving average is sitting at $30. Okay, so this is something that I'm paying attention to because we are at a top right now. Cardano, 62 cents. Above this 800 EMA, waiting for the 50 to cross over, and then that retest and continuation to the upside because that's a bullish mark. Shiba Inu on the daily, finally above that 200. The 50 crossed over the 200, all right? And then we're seeing a slow but true trend towards the upside for Shiba Inu, but we are almost at a top before we pull back and hit some moving averages, right? We did look at Phantom, 54 cents. Look at this. Phantom did see some major increases, so we're paying attention to those moving averages. All right, so top targets are when we sit at that 56 cents, and then I would be looking for a retrace actually to 44 cents if we do see something like that. Litecoin, all right, below that 200. Cake actually seen an increase, 50 crossed over to 200, and we've been seeing some inflow into Cake, which is awesome. All right, so that's something that we definitely want to pay attention to. All right, and yeah, definitely, awesome that we're, rocking out and we're doing that with you guys. All right, now let's check out gold. You know that gold definitely had some moves. Gold is at $2,052, so it's definitely beneficial, right? S&P is at 473, so it's almost. Let me see. Is it hitting all-time highs? On the daily? Okay, so that's SPY. Okay, no, I got to go to this SPY. Okay, so as you see, look, from that last all-time high of 480, we are almost hitting that. All opportunities in this bear market, man. This was opportunities to make money each time we hit those moving averages. Now we're moving towards the upside. So I'm just waiting for retraces, 452 on the S&P index. The dollar index right now is at 101, so it pulled back. That is bullish for crypto. It's at that 800 EMA, so we are seeing a move in crypto. Bitcoin's overall market cap hitting that high, $850 billion market cap. So we're close to that trillion. And as we see the inflow, January 10th is some of the deadlines for those ETFs. So we are going to see some FOMO across the market on the overall market caps, okay? So you're going to start seeing them leveraged into the markets. And then BNB, you know, I'm looking for BNB to get back up to that 300 range and a top bullish target to the 350 range. So that's definitely something that I pay attention to when I'm watching. And the retrace on Bitcoin touching that 50 EMA, and we have that 48,420 target in range. So we use CMC. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to swing by X, like it, because we have all of the information over there. Okay, we're rocking out inside Grok X Telegram channels. All right, don't forget to swing by there and check it out. We got all the different crypto news about the spot ETFs and all the information that's coming out with that. All right? All right, guys, you were chilling with Jay Strategy. We talk about the latest and greatest crypto projects, news, charts, and much, much more. Until then.